biometric camera on it. That biometric camera on that Tesla can pick up the life force of a human being, basically, and show up on the camera.
That's crazy.
You take your Tesla to the graveyard, you're going to see people walking around that you cannot see with your own two eyes. You can pull this up right now.
Whoa.
People are freaking out about it. You take your Tesla to the graveyard. On your camera, you're going to see humans walking around. But you're going to look out the window and not see nobody.
Please show yourself if you're...
I was there.
Yeah, I'm not playing with...
Another one.
You saw another one?
Yeah, I saw another one. Oh, that's creepy.
So it wasn't... Oh my gosh. Yo.
I just did it.
Yo. Oh my gosh.
Tesla